In Arabic, one word can mean four completely different things. The word is Wallah. But here's the problem. If you translate it, you will get it wrong. Because in Arabic, meaning is not in the word, it's in the tone. Case 1. Someone doesn't believe you. You look at them and say, Wallah, I swear. Here you are serious. You want them to trust you. You are defending yourself. The word becomes a promise and sounds strong, direct. And now listen carefully to the pronunciation. Wallah, Wallah. Case 2. Your friend tells you something crazy. He got the job in one day. You say Wallah. You are not swearing, you are reacting. You are surprised. The word becomes a reaction in tone high, rising. Listen carefully. Wallah, Wallah. Case 3. Now, different situation. You are talking to a friend. Calm conversation. You say Wallah. Here, listen carefully. You are not making a strong promise. You are just being real. You are opening your heart. For example, Wallah, I am tired. This means, honestly, I am tired. Not dramatic, not emotional. The word softens the truth in tone, natural. Wallah, Wallah. Case 4. Now, same word but different feeling. You've had a long day. Everything went wrong. You sit down and say, Wallah, sigh. Here, the word is not meaning anything specific. It's emotion, it's pressure. Wallah, for example, Wallah, I can't anymore. This word releases what you feel. Tone low and tired. So in case 3, you are speaking. In case 4, you are releasing. Case 3, words. Case 4, feeling. Same word, different tone, different meaning. In Arabic, don't listen to the word, listen to how it's said. If you understand the tone, you understand Arabic.